It is almost an hour ago. We left Jerusalem behind and got the company of Dead Sea to our destination Masada. On way before Masada, one can witness screenless mountains like this. This is amazing, looks like a different world.
Welcome to Masada National Park.
Entry fee to Masada Park for an adult it is NIS 46 and for a child it is 28. If you take a cable car to the top of this park, it will charge for an adult is NIS 77, for child 45 and for Israel senior citizen it will be 62. If you are a student studying in Israel, there is a special discount. There are three ways to visit Masada. One is you can book a cab from Jerusalem or Tel Aviv and go for a day trip to Masada. Or you can stay in a hotel near Dead Sea and visit Masada. Lastly, you can buy a package tour from a reliable tour operator, just like we did with Abraham Tour. Masada was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List in the year 2001. It was the last bastion of Jewish freedom fighters against the Romans. It was fall in Second Temple period. Built by Herod, king of Judea, Masada was a palatial fortress in the style of the ancient Roman East.